Clifford Smith Jr, professionally known by Method Man, was born on 2nd of March in 1971. Today is celebrating his birthday at 53 years old. He is an American rapper, record producer, and actor. He is the member of East Coast hip-hop collective Wu-Tang Clan, and is half of hip-hop duo Method Man and Redman. He took his stage name from 1979 film Method Man. In 1996, Method Man won a Grammy Award for Best Rap Performance by Duo or Group for I Will Be There For You and You're All I Need To Get By, featuring R&B singer Blige, which whom he currently stars in Power Book Second Ghost, a spin-off Power. In 1995, he was also featured on Got the Flavor of Showbiz and A.G. album Goodfellas. He also appeared on the Batman Forever soundtrack. His track The Riddler, produced by RZA, include a video clip from the film. In 1996, Method Man appeared on Tupac Shakur's album All Eyes on Me on the song Got My Mind Made Up, alongside his lame partner Redman, the Dog Pound and Specs Deck, whose verse did not make this album version. Besides his successful career in music, he also acted in movies such as The Great White Hype in 1996, 187 and Copland in 1997, Berry in 1998, Black and White and PGIS in 1990, Tarikiya's Band in 2000, Volcano High and How High in 2001, Brown Sugar 2002, Scary Movie Free in 2004, My Baby Daddy, Garden State, Soul Brain in 2004, Venom in 2005, The Art Specialist, Hood of Horror in 2006, The Workness, Meet the Spartans in 2008, Sinner and Saints in 2010, The Inspectable Jimmy Brown and The Marxian 2011, Red Tails in 2012, Focus in 2013, The Breaks, Kenu and Peterson in 2016, Where Is the Money and Love Beats Lim in 2017, Future World and Peppermint in 2018, Shaft and J Silent Bob Labot in 2019, Concrete Cowboy and Vampire vs. The Bronx in 2020, This Is the Night in 2021, Last Look and Once Upon a Time in 2022. He also appeared in television shows such as Station Zero in 1999, One on One and The Third Watch in 2002. His recent shows are Bopkins, Yes We Cannabis, Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur, Hard Knocks in 2023, Carpool Karaoke, Impact Jokers in 2022. Wishing up birthday to Method Man. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Have a nice moment.